Hello and welcome to the DebtCircle Sundown brief for the 14th of July 2026. I'm Leela and here's everything moving in the debt markets today. Let's start with our top 5 highest yield listed corporate bonds. Number 1, Monedo Financial Services Private Limited with a yield of 17.00% and a trade value of 23.00 lakhs. Number 2, Akara Capital Advisors Private Limited with a yield of 15.30% and a trade value of 30.00 lakhs. Number 3, Unifins Capital India Limited with a yield of 15.00% and a trade value of 1.00 lakhs. Number 4, Muthoot Capital Services Limited with a yield of 15.00% and a trade value of 0.25 lakhs. Number 5, Neogen Fintech Limited with a yield of 15.00% and a trade value of 0.15 lakhs. Now, moving to our top 5 highest yield unlisted corporate bonds. Number 1, Apex Homes Private Limited with a yield of 14.00% and a trade value of 4,246.67 lakhs. Number 2, Respo Financial Capital Private Limited with a yield of 13.57% and a trade value of 150.00 lakhs. Number 3, Navi Limited with a yield of 12.10% and a trade value of 250.00 lakhs. Number 4, Navi Limited with a yield of 11.50% and a trade value of 20.00 lakhs. Number 5, Anand Rathi Global Finance Limited with a yield of 9.50% and a trade value of 1,050.00 lakhs. Let's move on to mutual fund debt transactions. Gross purchases stood at 14,425.49 crore. Gross sales stood at 15,092.97 crore. Net investments stood at negative 667.48 crore. Net investment for July, month to date, stood at negative 8,056.040 crore. Now let's look at FPI debt market investment. Gross purchases. General limit 244.29 crore, VRR 0.00 crore and FAR 531.21 crore. Gross sales. General limit 97.51 crore, VRR 343.74 crore and FAR 810.86 crore. Net investment. General limit 146.78 crore, VRR negative 343.74 crore and FAR negative 279.65 crore. Net investment for July, month to date. General limit 3,674.55 crore, VRR negative 2,054.04 crore and FAR 7,148.12 crore. Net investment for 2026 year-to-date calendar year. General limit 30,900 crore, VRR negative 1,760 crore and FAR 43,413 crore. Let's check the money market rates. Call rate is 5.24%. T-repo rate is 5.09%. Basket repo rate is 5.21%. Special repo rate is 5.14%. Now, India government bond yields. 1-year yield is 5.85%. 3-year yield is 6.29%. 5-year yield is 6.49%. 7-year yield is 6.68%. 9-year yield is 6.81%. 10-year yield is 6.80%. 15-year yield is 6.97%. 30-year yield is 7.39%. Moving to T-bill yield and auction cutoff. 91-day T-bill yield is 5.30%. 182-day T-bill yield is 5.49%. 364-day T-bill yield is 5.66%. Let's look at liquidity indicators. Net liquidity injected stood at negative 1,49,332 crore. SDF stood at 1,55,296 crore. MSF stood at 5,964 crore. Now, MIBOR OIS rates. 1-year rate is 5.92%, 2-year rate is 6.09%, 3-year rate is 6.20%. 5-year rate is 6.35%. Moving to modified MIFOR rates. 2-year rate is 6.94%. 3-year rate is 6.96%. 4-year rate is 0.00%. 5-year rate is 7.13%. Let's check today's currency rates. US dollar to Indian rupee is 96.30 rupees, previously 95.67 rupees. Euro to Indian rupee is 109.69 rupees, previously 109.32 rupees. British pound to Indian rupee is 128.71 rupees, previously 128.13 rupees. Japanese yen to Indian rupee is 0.59 rupees, previously 0.59 rupees. Chinese yuan to Indian rupee is 14.18 rupees, previously 14.11 rupees. Now commodities and indices. Gold per gram, 24 carat, 99.9 purity, is 14,280 rupees per 10 grams. Previously 14,291 rupees. Silver is 2,350 rupees per 10 grams. Previously 2,350 rupees. Crude oil is 86.35 US dollars. Previously 78.91 US dollars. Sensex is at 77,054.94. Previously 77,616.40. Nifty is at 24,052.05. Previously 24,211.00. And finally, let's look at India's primary issuance of corporate bonds. SI Creva Capital Services Private Limited issued 325 crore with a tenure of 25 months and a coupon of 11.00%, rated by India Rating and Research Private Limited at A-. Navi Finserv Limited issued 370 crore with a tenure ranging from 15 to 38 months across multiple tranches and a coupon ranging from 10.30% to 10.75%. That's your DebtCircle Sundown brief for the 14th of July 2026. I'm Leela. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.